Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how we can analyze XAUUSD for the week. Okay, today is 28th of March 2021, and I have XAUUSD on a monthly time frame on my chart on the screen. We want to analyze gold with Fibonacci tools. We are also going to analyze gold with moving averages, then with trend lines. So let's see what we can get, the analysis we can get from our from the way we are going to analyze the gold setup for the week. Okay, right now I have gold chart monthly time frame. I'm just going to change the background of the chart. First of all, I'm going to remove grid lines, and I'm going to change the background to a white background. Okay, go to properties, change this to white, change this to black. Okay, this will be green, it should be black. This should be like lime, and then this should be red. Okay, now looking at the chart, as you can see, this is like a pin bar. Okay, so ordinarily is the month has not ended. Today is 28th. We really don't know how it will close, but we are not working with that pin bar. We are going to draw Fibonacci. We're going to draw the Fibonacci tool on the chart. All right. Now this is my Fibonacci. So I'm going to extend the Fibonacci tool from the base here, the lowest point here, and to extend it to the top. This is the top. Okay. And I'm going to have two zones, the 23.6 Fibonacci level. I'll change the color to red. Okay, then I'm going to mark the 38.2 Fibonacci level, change the color to red. Okay, so these two levels marks the boundary for where price is currently at 1732.7 the point. So it's more like sandwiched between the 23.6 Fibonacci level and the 30.2 Fibonacci level on the monthly time frame. Okay, I may add another mark for the 50% Fibonacci level. Okay, then I can possibly add another mark for the 0% Fibonacci level. So all the marks, the horizontal lines for the monthly chart is colored red. Okay, so I'm going to reduce okay, so that when I get to the weekly time frame, I'll be able to plot the Fibonacci. So I'm reducing the Fibonacci tool, okay, so that it will be easy to plot on the weekly time frame. So I'll move to the weekly time frame. Okay, now I'm going to look out for the best possible points, which is from here. Okay, this will be my 0 level to my 100. Okay, so all I'll just do is to extend this so that I'll be able to draw my Fibonacci levels properly. All right, so I have the 23.6 around here, so I'm going to mark with blue line, horizontal line, change this horizontal line to blue. Okay, that's the 23.6 on the weekly time frame, and I'm going to mark the 38.2 on the weekly time frame. So you can see this 38.2 and the 38.2 on the weekly and 23.6 on the monthly, they are side by side. So this is going to be a very important level. It's going to serve as a strong resistance to price. Okay, so I'm going to mark the 50 cent Fibonacci level on the weekly time frame. I'm going to mark the 61.8 Fibonacci level on the weekly time frame. So if you look at it, 61.8 Fibonacci level and the 38.2 Fibonacci level, the 61.8 is the blue line for the weekly time frame, while the 38.2 is the red line on the monthly time frame. They are side by side, so that makes a strong support. So we have a strong resistance at this point, 1842.06, and then we have strong support at 169.86. So that will be two levels or zones to watch out for, where we have layers, multiple layers or double layer of two strong levels on the weekly and monthly time frame. Okay, so I'm just going to add one more level, which is the 100, somewhere around here. Okay, now we're going to move on to the daily time frame. So I'm going to reduce so that I'll be able to use the Fibonacci tool. We're going to the daily time frame to mark out the levels. Okay, on the daily time frame, I have this. Okay, I have this. All right, on the daily time frame. Okay, and as well start it from here for the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, I'm going to mark the levels with green horizontal lines. So I have a level here. I'm going to change this to green. Changing this to green. That's my daily 23.6. Okay, so let me just put it somewhere below the weekly, which is the blue line. That shows I have two horizontal lines, one for the daily and the other for the weekly. So I'm going to mark out the 38.2 level, excuse me, the 38.2 level. Okay, 38.2. So this makes a very strong level, a very strong resistance level for gold, where you have the weekly, monthly, and the daily Fibonacci levels aligning almost at the same point. Then I have a level here, the 50% Fibonacci level for the daily. Okay, it's also a strong resistance level, but it's not as strong as the level here. Okay, then I also have the next, which is 61.8, which is also strong. Okay, it's as strong as what we have here. So that is that. I need to draw the 74.6 Fibonacci level. I need to draw the 74.6 Fibonacci level, so that in case price drops, that we can know where price will 74.6, 746 to give us 74.6. Okay, then we also have 88.5, 88.5% Fibonacci level. So we have another level here on the daily time frame, which is here. All right, we have another level on the daily time frame, which is here. Okay, so if I go back to my weekly time frame, okay, my weekly time frame, where I have the, okay, on the weekly I had this, this. Okay, just a minute. Trying to get okay. So let's just ignore the weekly time frame, since I didn't plot the 74.6 and 88.5 on the weekly. Let's just ignore it. But we have established, I'm going to delete the Fibonacci tool right now. Okay, now we have established these two important zones. I'll draw a shape to mark out the zone. Okay, this zone where we have multiple Fibonacci levels on the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. Okay, this is a very important level. This is also another important level where we have multiple Fibonacci levels. Okay, this level is also important, but not as important as the other two. Okay, all right, so with this now, we are going to, after this, we are going to insert the moving averages. Insert moving average. Okay, so we're going to insert 200 moving average, simple moving average. The color will be blue. Okay, this is where 200 simple moving averages. We're going to view this on the daily time frame. All right. Okay, and we are going to insert another moving average, 200 exponential moving average. So we can see these two moving averages. They are going to serve as point of resistance to price. And we insert another moving average, 100 simple moving average, and we're going to change the color to green. 100 simple moving average. So this is where 100 simple average is in the area of our 200 simple and exponential moving averages. I'm going to add 100 exponential moving average. So 100 exponential moving average is also in the area of our 200 moving averages. We're going to add 50 simple and 50 exponential. So 50 simple moving average. We're going to change the color to yellow or orange or gold. Okay, you can see 50, 100, 200, they are almost at the same point, pointing to the same area. We have 200 exponential. Okay, and this shows that this is going to form a solid resistance area. This particular point is going to form solid resistance area, where the point covering the 100, 200, and 50 moving averages, whether simple or more exponential. So price is going to test this point, and price may likely be rejected at this point. So we are going to throw the points down. Okay, point should be somewhere around there. So we're expecting price to do something like this, and then let me change the color of the line. Change the line color. Change the line color to blue. Okay, price should do something like this, and then come like price should expect price to form something like this, get to this point and retrace or reverse. Okay, then it may either form at this support, strong support, a W, and go up, or can either go up, price can either go up or continue down to the next Fibonacci level. Okay, so for trend lines, we already have our points of connecting the trend line. The first point is here. Let me remove so I'm going to remove the horizontal lines. To remove the horizontal lines. Okay. Oh, sorry, I just moved the shape around here and return the shape. Okay, I intend to remove just the horizontal line. Okay, removing the horizontal lines. Okay, so remove this and this. So we are still looking at the daily time frame. So let me change the color to black. Okay. All right. So we have been able to draw trend line connecting these points. We need to draw trend line to connect this point. So I'm done with the moving averages. I've been able to make use of the moving averages in my analysis that price we want to test the moving average concentration area and then either break it, but the chances for price to break the moving average concentration area is very low, very slim. So the moving average concentration area is more like a solid resistance area, so I expect price to get rejected and then come lower. Okay, so I'm done with the need for I don't need the moving averages anymore, so I'm going to remove the moving averages. Removing the moving averages, moving averages. Okay, all right, so I already have a channel. So it's either price continue up, gets to this the top. Let me mark this with blue. Okay, gets to the top here and then rejects. Okay, we are only delete that time frame, like rejects and then bounce further. Okay, our price gets to this area and then rejects downward, or rejects to the strong support and bounce upward. Okay, but we have been able to, we can easily see the can see the rejection zones I'm highlighting it with shape. These rejection zones, highlighting it with shape. Rejection zones, highlighting it with shape. So that's basically the analysis. So this is this particular area, we can see that you have some like a flag pattern around here. It's like a bullish flag pattern. So obviously price should go up at some point. I may be wrong, but I expect price to go up due to this flag pattern. Okay, price should go up. But if it fails, then price may test this zone, strong zone, and then most likely go up. But let's keep our fingers crossed and let's see what will happen, how it will pan out. So that's my analysis for gold for this week. Today is 28th of March 2021. So subscribe to our channel, click the like button, click the notification button, so that when we present this kind of analysis, you'll be the first to see the video. Also make comments below the video, ask questions, try as much as possible to answer your question. Okay, we have our website www.benefxtrader.com. Visit our website to learn more on the articles we have published in the past on how to trade gold, forex, or volatility index. So I come your way next time. Bye for now.